Hi guys, hello by Natalie. My name is Natalie Rosie and I've got the cutest and most affordable $8 jewelry to show you tonight. However, it's going to be a little different. So happy Monday, friends, but we're going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how to do a tutorial or how to navigate the paparazziaccessories.com website. In the description of this video, I have the paparazziaccessories.com /Jewels by Natalie link that's ready for you to shop from. I'm going to show you how to shop from there. Lately I've been posting a lot of pictures from their site, and I've been adding the link to each of the photos and the posts so you can shop right from there. The best part is that if you are new shopping over at Paparazzi with me, then you're going to get a welcome gift, and it's super cool. It's a mystery gift, so I don't know what it is, but it's really, really cool. So let's get into showing you guys what this is going to look like. Everything that they have on there, just about everything is $8. They have a lot of really, really fun other styles and collections that you might be interested in. You don't have to just shop with me in my in-home boutique. You can also shop here and I still get paid, which is really cool. So I wanted to give you guys a tutorial on what that's going to look like and how that works, okay? So let's get over to the other screen. I'm going to flip the camera around. Bear with me. I'm going to probably be holding my phone so that you guys can see the full effect, okay? So bear with me as I try to get through this whole thing. But my goal is I would like to show you guys how to shop. You just go straight to the website. I logged out of my account so you could see it from your perspective as a customer and as one of my friends. You can see how to shop, how to change the categories and the different colors. You can join and what that looks like, the promotions going on, the fashion fix situations, all of the different things that are on that site. So I want to show you what that looks like. So if ever you want to shop there, there is new jewelry dropping every single Monday through Friday on Paparazzi, every single Monday through Friday, unless it's a national holiday like Christmas, you know, or Thanksgiving or something like that. They won't be dropping jewelry on those days, but otherwise they will. Also, if you do order from them, not only will you get a welcome gift, which is really cool, and I think you might actually get free shipping. I'm not 100%. We'll have to go and look at it. But you also get the free welcome gift. I was trying to think of what I had something else in my brain, but I can't think of it right now. Let me go ahead and share this over, though, to our VIP group really quick, because I just realized I didn't do that. So let me share this over. I'm going to show you guys the whole situation going on. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. It's going to be really cool. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let me share this to my story. I don't remember what I was going to say. It was in my brain and then I lost it. It's okay. We'll make it work. But anyway, we gonna make it happen. Okay, so let's post that. All right, so we're in the VIP group now, and I did send out a text alert. So if you're not in text alerts, comment #alerts. If you are not in text alerts, if you are interested in the VIP group to see jewelry that I have on hand shown before and after the show, and or special things like today, big promotions going on, lots of different updates going on, right, with Paparazzi. So whenever that happens, I'll put that in the VIP group. I've been noticing some of us are seeing some of the Paparazzi pieces I'm showing, which is fabulous. So I wanted to come and go and show you what that looks like, okay? I was trying to think if you're a new customer shopping, what I was going to say, and I can't think of it. But let's go ahead and flip the camera around. I might actually hold it in my hands versus using my tripod or my little phone stand. So let's go ahead and do that. Also, if you'd like to become a consultant and get consultant pricing, comment #info and we can chat about it. Okay, you're going to see my backdrop kind of changing a little bit so I can make this work as we flip it around. Okay, there we go. So we are flipped. I'm going to zoom in. Actually, you know what? It might be easier for me to hold it, but that's okay. All right, so this is the home screen. This is literally the home screen for Paparazzi that you're going to see, which is amazing. I love it. You're not only going to see Paparazzi up here in the corner, but you're also going to see the Cachet line. I've been starting to show this jewelry lately, and it is the newest luxury line from Paparazzi. The best part about it is they are 18 karat gold and and or rhodium plated. Like, they're really pretty pieces, okay? So they're super cute. Let me zoom in even more on this, okay? So you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to start on the Paparazzi site first. So you can shop here. You can go to shop all, anklets, bracelets, earrings, all that. And then you can also go to the featured area, which is where Cachet is. Okay, you can also go to the new jewelry that just dropped today, blockbuster pieces, which are always available. Fashion Fix is specific to consultants only. So if you wanted to become a consultant, you can do that and you can get on the Fashion Fix wait list. Featured is mostly, I believe, Cachet and like specific holidays. Last chances for customers only. This is one and done pieces as far as I remember. And then the Z collection of 2025. I know it's 2026, but they usually release that year's Z collection in September, October-ish of the year that it's featuring. Okay. So we're going to go over here to shop all. We're going to start there. I want to show you guys how freaking cute some of these pieces actually are. Look at how cute these are. So you're going to have some adorable items in here. Okay. Literally look at how cute these are. I've shown a couple of these today already. Look at how much fun these are. I love the colors. Look at that one. That one's beautiful. Okay. These are all going to show you the $8 pricing. Now, if you decided to join today, this would be a 45% discount for you. You wouldn't be paying the $8. You'd be paying $4.40. Okay, look at those earrings. Oh my Lord. Those are so cute. Can I zoom in on that? That's gorgeous. Now look at this one over here. You're going to have the charm necklace or charm bracelet to go with it. Cute necklace. Look at all these pieces. They are so beautiful. Okay, now you know me. I'd probably go for that guy. That one's cute. Love all of these gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that blue is fabulous. So you can scroll down and you can see there are so many items right now. This is the shop all section. Now, if you come over here to the left, there's the metal color. Maybe you would prefer to get brass. It's going to show you all the brass items available. Okay, so there's the brass. Those earrings are fabulous. I love the blue in that ring. That's so cute. Okay, you can change that up. Then you can also go to color. Let's say that you want an orange piece of jewelry. Okay, so you can hit orange. You can take the brass part off. Okay, and then you can see all the orange pieces. Oh my gosh, look at those earrings right there. Those are cute. Okay, and then you're going to have the necklace. Look at all these pieces. And you just hover over it, and it'll show you the model wearing it. Look at how free. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. These are super cute, my friends. How fun. And now that one's orange and turquoise. That's adorable. Okay, that one's a cuff. So normally on my square site, my bling room, I show this part. But look at that. That's actually a cuff bracelet. Look at how cute that is. Okay, it shows you all the things. Those are blockbusters that you're going to find in the blockbuster section. Those are the orange section. So knowing me, we're going to do pink, right? So you can change the color over here. You literally just click on it and you can change the color. Okay, greens instead. Maybe you want to do yellow this time. Okay, you can see all the yellow pieces coming in. Those are beautiful. Okay, and then we can also switch it up and we can do the featured pieces. What's featured? Cachet is featured and St. Patrick's Day's featured. Let's look at the Cachet, friends. Look at this. It's going to tell you the name of the item and then it's 18 karat gold. This is so cute. It also tells you how much it is. Not all Cachet items are the same price. They are not the flat rate like the other $8 pieces. This one's going to be a bracelet Cachet, 18 karat gold as well. Isn't that fabulous? That is a $72 bracelet, y'all. I'm just saying, that's cute. Put this all together. Look at those earrings. Those are gorgeous. Okay, these are gorgeous. This is a totally different vibe. These are 18 karat gold. This one is rhodium. This is rhodium plated. I am obsessed with those earrings. This ring is fabulous. It would look great. And then look at this necklace. Y'all, all of these are different prices. Every single one of these is a different price. So just keep in mind what price you are. This is a really cute baby bracelet that's rhodium. It is a $48 bracelet, my friends. This is a different line. This is a rhodium. These are rhodium pieces and 18 karat gold, friends. 18 karat gold. Look at that one. $40 for that ring, y'all. That is so cute. These are such affordable prices for these types of pieces. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This one's a double. This one's got silver and gold. Look at that. Okay. $40 for that one. That one's got both 18 karat gold and rhodium. Y'all, this is good stuff. I'm telling you. So if you wanted to do the featured section, you can also decide which types of pieces you want. Okay, so there's the featured section. You can also do, let's take Cachet off. Let's go to St. Patrick's Day. Let's check out that set. So look at this. So there's the bracelet. Here's a pair of earrings available right now. You're going to have that cute ring that's available right now. Okay, look at all these cute St. Patrick's Day items that are available. Look at that clover, that lanyard. That's adorable. Okay, this is going to say lucky. How cute is that? These are fabulous. This is a charm. Do you see this? This is a charm bracelet. That is an actual charm that goes onto the bracelet. Okay, that's not the bracelet itself. It's just the charm. Then you got the ring that matches those earrings and that bracelet perfectly. Look at that one, the green. These are just fabulous items. Okay, now these are all the $8 pieces, so we switched back, right? These are so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that one's so cute with the double. Ooh, that one's cute. Y'all, these pieces are fabulous, okay? All right, so this is really, really good stuff. So this is the shop all section, okay? So this is the shopping all section. Now we're going to go into the join section. So if you wanted this number right here, okay, this number right here to say $4.40, you're going to go up here to join. And look at how much fun you can have if you get in on Paparazzi, okay? So there's the join the team. It's right there, front and center. Okay, there's two amazing options. Here's your first option. This is going to be your $20 party permit. You can enroll with the party permit. You can have consultant status. You get back office access, which basically means that when you log into Paparazzi, you get the $4.40 discount, not the discount, the 45% discount, and you get your free website. So you can have this site, this whole thing that I'm showing you now, you get one yourself. It's really cool, but it's just that. You have no jewelry that comes to you. You will not be getting anything else besides just access. That's it. However, you get the discount price. So if you wanted to get pieces, they'd be at the $4.40 price point for the wholesale pricing. You can also do this one. This one to me is the best option, not only because you can do the $20 option, but you also get to choose 25 standard accessories of your choice. You get all the same perks as the party permit, plus the 25 pieces that are the $8 prices, okay? And you get a free paparazzi planner plus the pen. Now, this month in February only, they have an opportunity where it's called Give Me the Glitz, okay? So here's where you can look at this. So here's the promotions up here that they've got. Okay, let's see. The promotions up here at the top, it's got Give Me the Glitz. Now, this is not the one that they're going to have. They're going to have different ones each time one of their specific exclusive items sells out. Okay, so you can also get multiples of these, which is really cool. So if you get the $99 kit, if you get that $99 one, let me go back to it. Hold on a second. Let me show you. Okay, so if you get this $99 kit, you will get a free Gimme the Glitz accessory of Paparazzi's choosing, okay? So whichever one that is now, whichever one they're featuring, that's the one you're going to get, which is really cool. And I think it's the earrings right now. I'm not sure. I think there's a pair of earrings on my VIP group. Comment hashtag VIP to see it. But I'm pretty sure that's what's going on right now. However, once the supplies are gone, there'll be a new one. So you can also make a large order, and you can get more of Give Me the Glitz. So it doesn't necessarily have to be getting more, kits and everything. You can get the kit and you'll get the Give Me the Glitz, and then you can also order more and get another Give Me the Glitz. So it's really cool. Okay. So that's what those are about, which is really nice. You can get that special offer here. It's super cool. And then, like I said, the promotions that they have, Give Me the Glitz. Now, if you decide to, the Catwalk Cameo is for Z models. Okay, so any consultant, if you decided to join, this is for the Z paparazzi ladies that decide to try to do the Catwalk Cameo, and they get the Z necklace. I think it's like named after them, or they get to design it. I'm not 100% positive on that. But if you do decide to purchase any jewelry on here, not the kit, just jewelry yourself, it is a free gift for first-time customers. You do get a free mystery item, which is really nice. I like that from Paparazzi, okay? They also have the opportunity to speak Spanish, Espanol, if you would like to get some help with that. Fashion Fix is an opportunity with joining. You can become a consultant, and you can also get the jewelry delivered right to your door. You get all the sets. You can either give them away, you can sell them, or you can keep them yourself. You don't have to do anything else. It's really neat. And then there's events going on and all kinds of stuff, but that's where this is where you're going to be shopping. So this is where you'll get all the goodies, okay? So let's just kind of play with it and let's get this necklace. We're going to do the add button. You can also make a wish list. So we're going to add it to our order. And then up here in the top right corner, you're going to see a little shopping bag. Okay, you're going to hit that shopping bag. It's going to show you what you got. You're going to have that plus your welcome gift. So even if you only get one item, you still get a welcome gift. If you get multiple items, you'll still get a welcome gift as long as it's your first time ordering. Okay, you're going to check out with a little checkout button over here. And once you've checked out, they'll ask a couple questions and they will send me an email to let me know that you made an order, what you ordered, and all of your information as well, so I can reach out to you and see how it went. In the description of this video, there is the Paparazzi customer service phone number and their email in case you have any questions if something happened to your pieces. If you cannot find that video, and that's fine, you can't find this video again, but you do have problems, come back to paparazziaccessories.com. There's the phone number right there. You can also go to contact us as well. They have their hours of operation, which is really helpful. Okay, I'm in Mountain Time, so for me, it would be MT. You can look at your time zone and see what works best for you, but there's your phone numbers and your fax numbers. And then here's the emails that you can contact if there's any issues with your order, okay? And you can make your account, and it's so easy to do that. Now, mine is 436194 for my consultant ID number. You just go ahead and type in paparazziaccessories.com/436194. If you'd like to shop with me, that is my ID number. You can also just tap the link that's connected to this video. Okay, my friends, I greatly appreciate your love and support, my friends. Thank you so much for being here tonight and for supporting me to see the website and to kind of shop with me, see how it works. But please feel free to come and check this out. Cachet is right up here on top if you want to look at that. You can even come down here and see what that's all about. If maybe you missed something, there's the little categories over here. You can choose which ones you want. But they've got lots of really beautiful items that come out, and they've got some really cool stuff. So I'm very excited for you guys to check this out when you have time. Like I said, every Monday through Friday, they drop brand new jewelry. So I've been kind of showing that as every day I've been trying to show that so you guys can kind of get a feel for more paparazzi jewelry and see if there's something that you might be interested in. Okay, my friends, outside of what I have in my home, I have a lot in my home, but you might find something that suits you better over here and I still get the commission. It's so great. You can do the same thing. You can also get commission by joining for 20 bucks. You can get gifts for your family, gifts for your friends, gifts for your coworkers, for your boss. Maybe you've got a bridal shower coming up. You've got a wedding to go to and you want to get a gift for the bride and the groom. There is men's jewelry here, so you can do that as well. Perhaps you've got an anniversary gift coming up. You've got a baby shower coming up from the mom or for the dad. You want to get some jewelry for them. You want to get some gift giving. These are great opportunities for all of those things. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to contact me. Comment on this video specifically if you have any questions about anything, or you can send me a message directly on Facebook or through my email, and I'll attach my email also to the description of this video as well. Okay, friends, have a great rest of your night. Thank you for your love and support. I love you. Make sure you share this out. Don't forget to comment #register so you can register with me with my in-home inventory. Otherwise, go ahead and shop paparazziaccessories.com/jewels by Natalie, JEWELZ by Natalie, my friends. Have a great night. Love y'all. And as always, my friends, trying to get this to turn around. There we go. As always, my friends, stay fabulous. Love you.